Welcome back to the video tutorials for the readyRANDOM tool. On this video tutorial we're going to be going over the prize pool and winners tab. So let's go ahead and select our three winners here on the active chatter tab, and then we'll confirm the winners to bring them over to the prize pool tab of readyRANDOM. You'll notice that the three winners that we had chosen, Corey Vapes, Ecstasy, and Lucidious Rage, are listed in the winners box, and then the prize listing is in the prize box down here on the bottom. In this particular case, we added RBA Supplies Ready X-Wick, Higgy Cigs, 30 ml bottle of Infamous e-juice, and a $20 gift code to SP Custom Vapors, along with a 30 ml bottle from Scope e-juice. So what you're going to want to do here is a couple of things. First, we added this verify box so that if you're a host who likes to verify that the user who won is the email that got submitted, you can put that verification information in this box. So for example, some hosts will ask for the last two digits of the zip code. Some hosts will ask for the whole zip code. Some hosts might ask for the street number. Whatever piece of information you want to utilize to identify your winner so that you can match them up to the email that they send in to collect their win would be what you would put in the verification box. The next element to this is remove from future drawings, yes or no. The way that this works is if you want to have the winner be available to win any future drawings for the remainder of your show, you would want to check no for remove from future drawings. If you're a host that prefers that your winners win one time and one time only during your show, then you would choose yes to remove from future drawings. So the yes feature removes the viewer it eliminates the ability for that particular winner to win for the remainder of the show if you check yes, and if you check no, that particular winner again would be eligible to win future drawings, so they may be selected again. And then of course you select the prize from the prize pool and the winner from the winner pool to assign them to a prize. So for example, let's say that Corey Vapes verification information was 123 and they won a 30 ml bottle of Infamous e-juice. We would click on Corey Vapes, type in 123 in the verification, and click on Infamous e-juice. Then we make a decision whether or not we want to remove them from future drawings. So in this case, let's say no, we do not want to remove them from future drawings, so that they would still be eligible to win if the case came up where they were drawn again, and then we click on Confirm Win. You'll notice that when we click on Confirm Win, the verification goes back to 3 question marks. That particular winner was removed from the winner pool, and the prize that we selected for that winner was removed from the prize pool. Now, where did they go? The answer to that is the Winners tab. Over on the Winners tab, we can see that Corey Vapes, whose information was 123, won Infamous e-juice, a 30 ml bottle, and we chose not to exclude him from future drawings. Now, if we wanted to go ahead and exclude him from future drawings, say that we had meant to click yes, but we accidentally clicked no, that's an easy fix. All we have to do here is just double click on the no and it will turn to yes. If we go double click on the yes, it will turn back to no. So if you make a mistake here, it's not a big deal. You can always click yes or no. The other thing you can do is remove the winner. Now, if you remove the winner, the win itself, the item that was won, will be placed back into the prize pool. However, the winner will not, because we're removing a winner. For example, let's say something happened that this particular winner became invalid for the win for whatever reason. You could just click on their name and click on Remove Winner, That's going to remove Corey Vapes from the winner tab. It will keep them removed from the prize pool tab, and it will move Infamous E-Juice back into the prize pool, which right now Infamous E-Juice isn't listed in the prize pool because we had assigned it to that winner. So again, we'll do that. Remove winner, and they're gone. We go over to the prize pool tab, and sure enough, that Corey Vapes winner is not in the winner list. However, if we scroll down, we can see that Infamous was re-added back to the prize pool list. So that would be how you would manually confirm a win to a specific winner, or a prize rather to a specific winner. I added a second ability to select a prize for a winner, and that is called the the Viewer Prize Roulette. If we click on Viewer Prize Roulette and we click on a winner's name, it's going to automatically, randomly cycle through the winner's list, or the prize list rather. Now what's kind of cool about this feature is that the computer is going to randomly generate which prize is won, but the way that I built it is that it actually will only stop, or rather, no, I shouldn't say only, it will stop based on when that particular winner tells it to stop. So if we wanted to, for example, have a winner choose a prize for themselves as a prize roulette, what we're doing here is having it cycle through the prizes randomly, and then when the winner was ready to try to press their luck or try to stop the prize on whatever it was that they wanted to win, they would actually type the word STOP into the channel. And we can set that word to anything we want. Right now I have it set to stop, but you could have it set to cool or wow, or whatever you wanted to set that word to. It's going to listen for that word that you have typed in here in the box that says listen for. So in this case we're listening for stop. As soon as I type stop, which I'll go ahead and do now, it's going to automatically stop the prize on whatever it was that was listed in, that was randomly selected when I typed stop. Now the cool thing is that it's not just going to be rather, it only listens for the person who won, whose name is highlighted in the winner box, to type stop. If anybody else types stop, it doesn't listen to that stop. It will only listen to the winner. Now, if for some reason your winner didn't type stop, it's an easy fix. Let's say your winner had left the room or something, and it was randomly going through the list of prizes. All you have to do is just click on stop listening, and it will do the same thing. It will stop randomly on a prize. And again, what we're going to do from there is put in the verification information. So let's say that Lucidius Rage's verification information was 22, and let's say we do want to remove from future drawings. We have Lucidius Rage highlighted. We have what they won, in this case scope 30 ml bottle, and then we just click on confirm win right down here in the viewer prize roulette. That removed Lucidius Rage from the winner tab. It also removed the prize from the prize list tab. And if we go over to the winners tab, or rather prize list box, it removes the prize from the prize list box. If we go over to the winners tab, you're going to see that Lucidius Rage is in there. Information is 22, won a bottle of scope, and is excluded from future drawings. To switch between the two types of prize selections, you just click on the title. Either manually select prize, or you click on the title for Viewer Prize Roulette. And that'll toggle between the two types of prizes that your viewer can choose, or that you can choose rather as the host for your viewer to win. Over on the Winners tab, let's go ahead and populate this a little bit with a few wins here. Let's say that this was 1. No. Let's see here. Confirm. Let's go grab another couple of winners. Let's see, we need 3 it looks like. So let's grab 3 more winners. Confirm them. Let's see, 2. Confirm. 3. Confirm. And the verification is, I don't know, 4. confirm. Okay, so now if you go over to the Winners tab, you can see that all of those winners that we just selected with the information that we selected as their security info is in our list of viewers and prizes, along with whether they were excluded or not. From here it's very simple. We've already gone over how you can either remove the winner, which will remove the winner itself and will move the prize back to the prize pool. Or at the end of the evening, what you can do when you're ready is click on either Excel, text file, clipboard, or email. And what that will do is it will automatically bring up a program so that you can save your winner's information. So in this case, if we wanted to email it, for example, to jeremy@rbasupplies.com, and we click on email, what this is going to do is it's going to generate an email of the prizes with all of the information over to the email address that you specified. So if we were to go look at our email client, which I'll do that real quick here, let's see here, if we look in the email listing, sure enough, we can see that the email address, or the email rather, was sent with the prize information. Okay. In addition to email, we can choose to have the list exported into Excel. If we click on Excel, if you have Excel installed on your computer, of course, you can see that it automatically imported the prize information for your winners with the information, with their prize information, and whether they were excluded or not into an Excel spreadsheet for you. If you click on text file, it's going to open up a prompt so that you can save it as a text file. For example, let's say 531 2015 wins. And if we save that text file, it's going to automatically be listed at where we saved it. So if you wanted to take a look at what this looks like, you can see that that winner's information is all listed in that text file for you in a nice, clean, and orderly fashion. In addition to that, let's go ahead and do the copy to clipboard version. If we did the clipboard button, then we could go over here to the text file or wherever we wanted to paste it, maybe into an email, maybe into a text file, whatever the case may be. Right click and paste. And that information is going to be pasted in there in a tab delineated format. Now it looks a little out of sorts here, but that's only because of the number of characters and the tab returns. If you were to paste this into Excel, for example, it would paste correctly into the given cells. If you wanted to paste it into a notepad, you might just go here and tab into your notepad so that everything is lined up the way that you would want it to be lined up. So that pretty much covers the prize pool tab and the winners tab. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next video in the series, which is going to very briefly cover the other tab, which is primarily used for setting the color scheme for the readyRANDOM tool.